Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to log into your Skillshare teacher account. Whether you're new to Skillshare or need a refresher, this guide will help you get started quickly. Let's dive into it. Step 1. Open your browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Step 2. Go to the Skillshare website, type in the URL www.skillshare.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the Skillshare homepage. Step 3. Click on Login. On the upper right corner of the homepage, you will see the Login button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your credentials. You will be prompted to enter your login details. Input the email address associated with your Skillshare teacher account in the first field. Then, enter your password in the second field. Step 5. Click on Login. After entering your details, click the blue Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Skillshare teacher dashboard. Step 6. Troubleshooting. If you have trouble logging in, double-check your email and password for any mistakes. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields to reset it. Step 7. Explore your dashboard. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your dashboard. Here, you can manage your classes, check earnings, and interact with your students. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more helpful guides.